Example clips of remote learning math class. During this part of the math class, the teacher is demonstrating the use of a proportion box graphic organizer to solve a ratio problem. The kids had already attempted this on their own pages using Explain Everything, which is shared with the teacher, and the teacher can give feedback on how the students are doing. The teacher then demonstrates the completed solution process so that the students can compare their own work to the teacher's work. This skill asks them to apply their equation skills to solve a ratio problem using a graphic organizer. In this remote Landmark Middle School math class, the students are learning the vocabulary for range, median, and mean. They're using the point and call strategy that's adapted to our methods here at Landmark. The gestures where their hands are apart stand for range. When they bring their hands together, it's the median. And then when they do the sweeping and gathering gesture, it means mean. These physical movements help the students to remember and differentiate these mathematical terms.